What's the best vlogging setup in 2022? Today I'm gonna go over my innovative and one-of-a-kind setup that you'll see on YouTube today. If you're new to the channel, guys, I'm Alec. I'm actually a barbershop owner. I don't usually make videos like these talking about cameras, but I thought I'd share this one really good idea for you guys. So if you're a barber and you came across this video randomly, check out my YouTube channel. If you're trying to become a successful barber, why is this barber me have a super nice setup like this? So I like to make content, and I try to make the best content that I can. I'm innovative and I like things that make my life easier. That's how I came up with this setup. So the setup is actually the A6600, that's the Sony, with the Tamron 11 to 20 2.8 aperture, with a Sennheisser MKE 200. The mount is custom. I'll go over it in a little bit here, how I made it. I got the variable ND filter, it's a K&F, and also a Manfrotto tripod mount. So I had different setups before going into this for vlogging. I had the A7 III with like a 24 to 70. I didn't want to get different lenses for it because, you know, full frame is a little bit more pricey. So I got rid of that and also got rid of full frame everything. And I said I'm gonna stick to smaller because I like it better. I can literally store it in my 3-liter sling. Peak Design, shout out. I also had the 10 to 18 vlogging lens for the A66, but that one is an f4, and yeah, I just wanted lower aperture because I'm always shooting low light. I had the best mic you can get for vlogging, which was the Rode Video Mic NTG, something like that. It was like $300. I ended up selling it for super cheap just to get this way smaller mic, the Sennheiser MKE 200. My goal was to make it super compact as I can, and this lens that I got is not much bigger than the 10 to 18, so I like that. And also the mic was super small. The reasons why I like this setup a lot is because I don't like my vlogging setup always visible. When I had the stand, you know, it doesn't fit in a bag like this. You would have to put it in a backpack or a way bigger sling, maybe like a 6-liter. I always wanted to be on me because I like to just record just like that, boom. When the mic was mounted here, it was hard to store. And also on the side, I had the small rig one. Tried that on the side. So when I do the flip out screen, I can still see the screen. And there was another one where it's here or here. And I looked everywhere on Amazon or on YouTube. There was nothing that could make the mic right in front of here. Also, like, as you can see, there's no stand. That's because I find myself only holding it to vlog anyway. I don't put it down much. And when I do put it down, I can always just put it down on a flat surface, somewhere higher. And I usually have the Manfrotto on the bottom, so it's pretty flat. This mount is about 3 inches long. 3 to 4 inches long. I am gonna ask my dad because my dad made this. Initially I wanted it to be glued on, but this is a way cleaner setup. I was gonna have it on top because the small rig was here. I cut it off to here. Then I was gonna have a metal going like this and then curve like that. Another thing I like about this is it swivels left and right. So I swivel it to the left so my fingers can fit through here. And I can still hold it like this, and I swivel it to the right because when I hold it like this, my finger can fit between the lens there. Shout out to Landon, by the way, because he had one of his videos talking about how he held the lens like this, and it was a good setup for him. He would just vlog like this, and then if he needs to show something, he can go like that. Boom, boom. Another benefit of the mic being here is obviously it's way closer to your mouth, and as you guys can see, here's some sample footage from the vlogging.
That's a torch. No, please don't put this in
position.
the vlog. My mom's gonna see it, bro.
My mom's gonna see it, bro.
You don't watch, bro.
Hey, stop for
Nobody
Allah.
watch my vlogs, bro.
Start, bro. I'm breaking my face.
Tangin ang airline niya, no? Eh, just got enhanced. As you know, the A6600 is the best APS-C camera for the Sony lineup. I like it better than the ZV-E10 just because this takes the same battery as the A7 III, so it'll last me the whole day. I still carry an extra battery in my fanny pack just in case I run out. I also have the Peak Design mount here, but I don't have the thing. I'm just borrowing this so it looks cool. I don't actually have the mount yet. I will get it one day. I have the GoPro in here also for quick vlogging, all in this 3-liter sling. I have 2 vlogging setup in this baby right here, and it looks cool. I can stand like this all day long. I'm a barber, like I said. I usually cut with this on, put it in the back like that. It looks cool when I'm walking around. It's not too big. I like watching these videos. I always like leveling up my setups. That's why I decided to make this video, because nobody else has this setup. I have the nicest, smallest vlogging setup in the game, and it's because it might not be the best lens, or it is the best lens. It might not be the best mic, but it is the smallest mic that has the best performance, and you can't beat the size, bro. I can literally boom, put it out and then start recording. Like I said, guys, if you want more videos like these, I am not a camera guy, but I do my best to make the best content for barbers, and I'm gonna be making way more barber content for all the barbers out there, and also camera guys. Details for the mount down below, because I don't know it personally. I have to tell my dad. You know, you guys can DIY it. My dad DIY'd it. I think he just went to Home Depot, got all the parts right there. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, see y'all in the next video.